Let's go feed everyone. Good morning. Straight up. You got a straight shot. Oh. Hi. Hi. There you go. You coming, Morris? Good boy. Good boy. Good morning to you too, Mr. Rooster. It's warming nicely out of the 40s into the 50s. I've got on a long sleeve shirt and I'm pretty comfy out here. Hi, Mart. Hi, Stripe. All I hear in the morning is roosters, chickens, ducks. It's non-stop. It's okay. But it's noise. I see Morris over there. They're hunting something. I believe Stripe's down there with him. Something has got their interest over there this morning. They do this a lot throughout the year. There's a hole in the ground over there, and I have seen possums in it before. They didn't normally take on a possum. Maybe they're hunting a squirrel. Hey, Gray. Good morning. How are you? Hi. How's my sweet pea? You doing good? You doing good? Good. Good, good. Well, that angel trumpet sure is still looking pretty. I'm having to water it every morning, though. It needs to go in the ground. I got to revisit where it's going to go. The first spot I picked isn't going to work. But it's pretty. There's quite a nice handful of people walking the track this morning. And they're prepping the field for baseball games tonight. And we're sad about the number of cigarette butts on the ground. It's a lot. It's really picked up since they started playing baseball every night. Tux is watching Stripe. I was going to plant my pansies, and I'm that much short on dirt. I'm always short on dirt. We buy a lot of dirt. So I'm not doing that right now. Dawn drilled the holes. That's the pot I brought home from Guardian Angel yesterday. And I filled it with rocks at the bottom, which mostly just saves us a little bit of money on dirt. And anyway, I can't do that right now. Oh well. I'm printing some cute little black cat figurines. And I've just been going through and organizing all of the Lego wreath stuff. And yeah. It seems so wrong not to do more outside today because it's perfect out there. But I'm kind of like, today's not the day to do some of the other stuff yet. So, but I've done stuff here in the garage needed doing. The days seem to go by so quickly. It's already 4:20 and the sun is setting. Marty has taken this spot in the afternoon recently because it's sunny and it's warm. And Tux these days, he's on his bench a lot, but he also has been enjoying the tall chair. So I put together the 4th book. I'm done with the books now. I'm ready to get out the base plate and start putting the castle front on and adding these as the rear walls of the castle. Ooh, spooky. Looks like they turned out great.